So here are the prices. So 3.5 yung SRP ng Ultimate Glow, 2,500 naman Nitric Plus. Supreme Hydrating Oil is 2.3. But you don't pay this amount. Okay? You can pay straight away yung distributor price po natin. 2.8 si Ultimate Glow, 1,999 naman si Nitric Plus, and 1,800 yung Supreme Hydrating Oil po natin. Okay? The good news about this is you can have additional discount depending on your membership package. Okay, so ano ba yung mga membership package na yan? So let's talk about yung business. Okay, so here are the 4 packages meron tayo sa NextGenX. You can be on trial, started at 1,000. Bili ka lang ng isang product, 1,000 and above na yan. You can be on trial package. Starter, basta 5,000 and above. Elite is 25,000 and above. And business, 100,000 and above po. Okay, so magkano ang discount ang ma-avail mo? So, if you're on trial, automatic pag nag-repurchase ka ng product, 10% discount. Okay? So, kunwari, 2-3 yung product, less 10%, use less 230. Ganun siya. So, kapag starter, 15%, pag elite naman, 20%, and if you're in business, it's 30%. Okay po. The good thing right now is we have promo for founding members is elite. Kapag bumili ka ng elite, automatic po ma-upgrade siya to business. So, that puts your discount to 20 to 30% po pag tayo bumibili ng products natin. Okay? Now, not only that, there's also business opportunity that we can have. Okay? The good thing about this is, ito yung price list pala before I'll go to the business. So, imagine mo, kunwari, yung Nitric Plus, 1,999. Pag business ka, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 1,399. Okay? Pag trial ka, 1,799. Okay po. So, yung Ultimate Glow, yung papaganda, 1,960 na lang. Okay? That's what? 20 pesos per day? Okay? Wag ka na lang mag-ano, ang tawag doon, wag ka na lang mag-kwek-kwek. And meron ka ng pampaganda. Gaganda yung kutis mo. Kasi tataas blood pressure mo pag kwek-kwek eh. 20 pesos din yun, di ba? So, this one, 1,960 lang siya. Alright? So, that's the beauty. Okay? So, the good thing about NextGenX is we chose a model to distribute our product through network marketing. Bakit? Kasi kapag ganito ka-quality ang products, mas effective ang word of mouth advertising. Okay? So, normally, the quality products, the distributors share the products, kinikwento. Ikaw, pag ginamit mo, kwento mo. Okay? Ikwento mo. And kapag nagustuhan ng kwentuhan mo, they will be your customers. If they're satisfied, some customers will pursue a distributorship. Kagaya namin. And, uh, earn commissions, earn travels, earn rewards, okay? At saka every time na bumibili yung mga customers mo, you have a residual income. Ayan po. So, I've been in this industry for 20 years and I know how to identify quality companies like NextGenX. Okay? And network marketing has made people, ordinary people, extraordinary. Ang dami na pong natulungan. Ang dami ng kumita, ang dami ng yumaman sa ganitong industry. Okay? Now, okay, why it's good to start with a network marketing business? Una, low startup capital. Walang upfront na malaki. Kahit yung 100,000, in terms of business, maliit po yun dito sa Pilipinas. Magtayo ka ng Show My Cart, kulang po yun. Magtayo ka ng milk tea shop, kulang po yun. Okay po? So, you can never find a business na ganito kaganda with a low startup capital. Kung walang-wala ka talaga eh, you can start nga dito yung isang produkto eh, yung trial eh. 1.8, 'di ba? Okay, so let's say you start with the 100,000. That's still small in terms of business. Kagandahan dito, no need to create your own product. Yung iba nagma-manufacture, bumibili ng mga equipments, 'di ba? Here we don't need to. Okay? When you get started, it's meron ka na agad business na up and running. Next, flexible schedule siya. May work ka ngayon, pwede mo siyang gawin part-time. Okay, you wanna do it full-time like us, maganda rin. Tutulungan ka namin, gagabayan ka namin. Oh, nung nasa abroad ka, you can still do this. Kasi kaya mo ngang, I mean, you can make money anywhere right now because of the internet. Okay po? There's unlimited income potential. Okay, why? Because when you offer the product or the business to other people, you will meet people who are better than you. more intelligent than you, and sometimes mas maraming kakilala sa'yo or mas malaki pangangailangan sa'yo. Okay? May sometimes they want to save money or they want to pay a debt. Alright? Or gusto nila magpatayo ng bahay. So, sisipagan nila according to their needs. Pangarap nila. Kaya nga when okay, I was talking to Princess earlier sa presentation namin. Ang goal ko for this year, July to December, before mag-end of the year, I have a savings of 2 million from this business. 'Di ba? Kasi imagine mo, 2026 is almost over. 6 months na lang. Okay? If January to June, you're not happy to the result, baguhin natin, ibahin natin strategy, probably, dito sa opportunity na ino-offer namin sa inyo, you can save money. 'Di ba? Or you can pay more debts. Because it solves everything. 'Di ba? Income solves everything. Kahit anong problema, masosolve ng income. Okay po? So, also, there's in this kind of business, may develop leadership communication and business skills. Talagang matututo ka makipag-communicate. Okay? So, ganun. At tutulungan namin kayo doon, gagabayan namin kayo. Leverage social media and reach unlimited customers. By the power of the internet, wala na imposible. Kanina nga, may kausap kami, taga-Canada taga UAE, taga Saudi. Ganun din, di ba? And incentives, mas masipag ka, mas malaki commission mo. Ganun lang po siya. Okay? Your income is directly connected to the value you create at the people you help and succeed. Alam niyo po, every time I talk to people, iba-iba problema. Pang tuition fee, pang patayo ng bahay, pambili ng kotse, right? So, you might have a different uh, goal. Pero, bottom line, we all need income to support that goal. And this opportunity can help you there. Okay? So maraming misconception about network marketing. Let me just clear that out para alam nyo. Because me as a professional network marketer, I can tell you na these myths are really myths. Ano? Sabi na iba, it's a pyramid scheme, Jeff. So this is a legitimate company that's built in product. Ang pyramid scheme po, pera-pera lang. Okay, if we don't have product, magduda kayo. Ano po, kung kinukuha lang namin yung pera niyo. No, this is built-in product. Next, only people at the top make money. Ang totoo po niyan, kahit nauna ka rito sa negosyo na to, kung wala ka namang ginawa, hindi ka kikita, hindi ka yayaman. Okay, success depends on consistent effort. Next, you must pressure your friends and family. Sabi sa Meet, ano? No, modern distributors use social media referrals, education, and relationship marketing right now. Kasi people wants to read reviews at this point. They want to hear from other people anong experience bago nila bilhin. Okay po? Kaya, you share your review, you share your product, you tell it to people. Example, family mo, 'di ba? Alam mo na gaano kaganda yung Nitric Plus. Bigyan mo na yung nanay mo, tatay mo, okay, kapatid mo. You just tell them. Kasi alam mo na maganda for their heart, 'di ba? Kesa naman pag may na-stroke na, 'di ba? Doon pa kayo kikilos. So, right now, prevention is always better. Okay? Sabi nila, the products are overpriced. No. The product are well researched. Okay? And we have high-quality products that create customers for long term. Ang binibuild natin dito, yung repeat customers. Kaya yung mga product na pinoproduce in network marketing, real quality products po. Okay? Kasi we want them to come back and purchase again. Okay? So, another myth is it's a get-rich-quick business. Hindi po yun totoo kasi network marketing is a real business that rewards persistent and skill development. Actually, ginagamit ang ganitong business model sa lahat ng negosyo. Okay? So, ngayon lang may nag-message sa akin, BDO. Oh, sabi niya, refer a friend and earn 100 pesos. Diba, BDO? Okay, so I'm sure you're getting messages like that. Okay, so now, ito yung mga package. Bili ka lang ng product, yung trial package natin from 1,000 to 499. Basta hindi umabot ng 5,000, you're on trial package. Automatic member ka. Libre po membership. Pili ka lang ng product na bibilin mo. Now, starter package, yung 5,000 to 24,000, we have recommended, but also you have freedom to choose. You know? Package A, ito, 2 nitric plus and 1 hydrating oil. Package B, 1 nitric plus, 2 oil. Package C naman, yung 2 ultimate glow. Yan yung price nila. Ano po? Elite package, 26,396, apat-apat-apat. Package B, puro nitric plus yung pang heart. If you think you have a market for that, you can focus with that. Okay? For yung package C naman is Supreme Hydrating Oil, and then yung package D puro Ultimate Glow. Ano po, kung sa tingin mo, you can easily market yung pampaganda, glutathione, everything. That's package D. Ngayon, you can also compose what you want. Walang problema. Kayo pong bahala doon. Ano po? So, this is the business package, yung 100,000 pataas. And if you're looking into this business seriously, ito yung rene-recommend ko. Ano, why? Okay. Because dito may product ka na rolling. Kumbaga, ano mo yung sari-sari store na kung anong hahanapin ng tao, ando na. Okay, meron ka na sibuyas, bawang, mantika, asin, 'di ba? You already thought of it. So this is a business that you're generating. So ito yung mga package na we recommend. Okay, it's like you're on the go na. Okay. Pero the good thing about this one right now, pag kumuha ka ng elite package yung nabanggit ko kanina, okay, 'di ba kumuha kang ganyan? Okay. Automatic ano siya sa business package. Mapopromote siya. That's for the founding member. Kasi launching pa lang po tayo ngayong July. Okay, this is a ground zero opportunity for every one of you listening ngayon. Launching pa lang. That's why we have this promo. Mawawala din po siya. Okay po? So, take advantage of that. Ngayon, kagandahan nito, pag business package ka, you already have 30% discount on all the products. Okay po? Now, how do you make money? Ito yung pinaka-important. How do you make money? So, you make money with 7 ways. And this is the number 1, yung direct cycle. So, you earn commission sa mga taong personally ikaw ang nag-invite to see the opportunity, to see the business. Example, okay, si Ma'am Jessica. Jessica, you sponsor me. Let's say you sponsor me. Ikaw ang nag-invite sa akin. Dun sa kukunin kong package, you have 10%. Okay? Ngayon, dun sa second na taong na-invite mo, okay, that's your second, you earn 15%. So kung ang kinuha niya, business package, may 10,000 ka sa first, meron kang 15,000 sa second. So sa pangatlo, you still have 25%. Okay? 25,000. Sa pang-apat, 50,000. So, if you want to earn 100,000, all you need to do is invite people, talk to them, okay? And you're gonna earn 100,000. You can close a credit card. Di ba? Ganun lang siya. All you need to do is, Jeff, paano kung ang kinuha nilang package, yung iba naman, kunwari yung 25,000, edi 10% ng 25,000. 15% pag pangalawa na siya, 25% pag pangatlo, 50% pag pang-apat. So, every 4 ang cycle. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pagdating niya ng 5th, babalik uli siya sa 10. Yung 6, babalik uli siya sa 15. Every 4 ang cycle niya. So, this is clear. I hope this is clear sa inyo guys. This is called direct cycle. This is the number 1 income. Okay? Ngayon, yung number 2 pag-usapan natin. Number 2 income, it's called level pairing. So, pagdating mo sa level pairing, lahat ng first pair mo in each level, you get paid 20%. Okay? So, paano yun? Example, you invited someone sa left mo, someone sa right mo. Both of them, for the calculation purpose na lang, both of them purchase business package. So, let's put it in 100,000. So, bumili siya, 100,000. So, 20% ng 100,000 is what? 20,000. So, yung commission mo dyan, sa level pairing is 20,000. Okay. Tanong, paano kung yung na-invite mo, nag-invite din? Okay, nag-invite din sila. Pareho din, business package din. 20% ka pa rin nung sa second level, that's another 20,000. Third, it's another 20,000. Infinite po yan. Every my first pair ka, in each level, you get 20,000. Okay? You count that. So, sabi ko nga, if you wanna earn 100K, sipagan mo lang. Okay? Kasi, tulad ko, my goal is to earn 500,000 on the first month. So, sisipagan natin. We're talking to people right now. Okay, we're sharing the opportunity. So, ganun din. Kasi marami pong tao na nahuhulog sa maling negosyo. Okay, so nag-o-open sila ng mga kung ano-anong business and everything. At the end of the day, tatambakan sila ng inventory or something. So, this business is already system. Kumbaga, proven na siya. System means save yourself time, effort, and money. Gawa na. Okay, hindi ka na mag-uupan ng rent, hindi ka na kukuha ng mga business license and everything. This is a autopilot business for you. Bottom line, it's all about marketing. Kikwento mo rin yung negosyo mo. Ma-market mo rin. So, why not market this one? Di ba po? Okay, so level pairing. Ngayon, yung third na income, ang tawag na natin dito, group pairing. So sa group pairing po, ang kino-compute natin dito yung benta. Okay? So yung benta ng bawat team. So iba-iba ang percentage ng bawat package sa group pairing. So pag trial ka, 5% ka lang, starter is 8%, elite is 10%, business is 12%. Maximum income per day ng bawat package is also different. Pag trial ka, 2.5 ka lang per day. Pag business ka naman, up to 200,000 ka per day. The maximum sales is also this one. Ano? Yung PV, that's also called peso. So 1 peso is equal to 1 PV. So wag kayong malilito po dyan. Ano po? So how does group pairing works? Group pairing works, ganito lang siya. Example, yung left team mo may sales na 1.2 million. Yung right team mo may sales na 1 million. So, you will get paid kung business package ka, kung nandun ka na sa business, 12% of the 1 million. Okay? Kung sino yung mas mababa, dun kukuhanin yung percentage. So, kung trial ka, instead of 12, 5% lang yan. Okay? But, in this example, let's do it, business ka na, 12%. So, ang commission mo in this scenario, that's 120,000 po. Okay, 120,000. Okay na ba yan? Yes. And mind you, 1 million peso sales is very easy in this business. Why? Let's say you have 50 people. 50. Okay? 50 people or 100 na lang para madaling mag-compute. Kahit tig 10,000 lang ang benta ng mga yan sa isang buwan, makukuha mo yung 1 million. Okay? It's very simple. So, 120,000. At ang sinasabi ko dito, hindi isang buwan. Kasi this can happen to you in 1 day, in 1 week, depending to you. Okay? Kaya tutulungan natin yung business. Ano po? So, ngayon, Jeff, 1 million yon, 1.2 yung left, 1 million yung right. Saan napunta yung 200,000 na sobra? So, that 200,000 will be carry forward for the next day. So, example, ano ngayon? Wednesday. So, example, Wednesday nangyari to. Sa Thursday, bukas, meron ka ng 200,000 na carry over sales dito. Pag may pumasok ng Thursday na 200,000 din, on the right, you still get the 12% of that 200,000. Magkano yun? Extra 24,000. Okay po. I hope you're getting the picture. Ayan siya. So, ang binibilang natin dito, benta. So, that's the third income. Again, magkakaiba yung direct sales, magkaiba yung level pairing, magkaiba din yung group pairing. Ano po? Now, there's also what we call leadership bonus. Ito yung pang-apat na income na natin. Sa mga tao na you personally bring to the business, ikaw yung direct sponsor. Sa kinikita po nila sa group pairing, you have 5% on the first level, second level mo 5%. Ibig sabihin, kunwari si Ma'am Jessica, ako, in-invite mo, tapos yung in-invite ko, at yung in-invite nun, sa income namin, sa group pairing, you have 5%. If I earn 1 million, you have 50,000. Ganun po siya. Okay po? So, imagine mo if you have 10 directs, at lahat kumikita ng 100,000 or 1 million, monthly na lang, you still get 5%, 5%. Ganun po siya. So, it's very important. Ano po? And, sabi ko nga, in this business, you will meet people who are better than you. More intelligent than you. Mas malaki po ang pangangailangan sa'yo. Kailangan magpadala ng malaki sa Pinas or kailangan magpa-renovate ng bahay. Ganun. So, it depends on their needs. Ano po? Now, hindi natatapos dyan yung kitaan kasi you can also rank up and increase pa yung discounts natin tsaka rebates natin. Ano po? We have rank up bonus. Pwede tayo ma-promote sa associate director, executive director, senior director, president director hanggang 20% additional. So, paano yan? Paano yung kitaan dyan? Ano po? Paano ma-promote pala? Sorry. So, to be promoted, bibilangin din benta. So, in this case, dito mo malalaman na it's a legitimate business kasi we're moving products for you to be promoted. Kailangan may benta para ma-promote, di ba? So, 70,000 na benta ng left, 70,000 na benta ng right. Pag nangyari sa yan within 2 months, you will be promoted sa associate director. At ang associate director, that's an additional 5% rank up bonus dun sa kanyang discount sa rebates niya. Okay? So, kung 30% discount ka, magiging 35 na yon. Okay, that's associate. Now, how to be promoted after associate? Magiging executive director ka. So, paano yan? Kailangan mong magkaroon ng 2 associate director. Okay. Jeff, is it necessary that it's in my direct line? No, basta nasa team mo at may na-promote doon na associate director, isang left, isang right, you will be an executive director. So, mapopromote uli yung rebates. Next, senior director naman, pag dalawa na yung executive director mo, at pinakamaganda pong posisyon is presidential director, pag dalawa na yung senior director mo. So, basically, it's helping one another. You and me will be working as one team para mag-grow tayong lahat. Ma-promote po tayong lahat. So, kapag nagawa mo yan, meron kang tinatawag na leadership reward. 5%, 4%, 3%, 2%, 1%. I will explain that further to the next slide. So, ganito kasi nagwo-work yung rebates natin tsaka overrides, ano? Example, si, lagi na lang si Ma'am Jessica, ano? Si Sir na lang. Example, si Sir, 30% discount ka dahil business ka. Tapos meron kang trial package na team member. So, ang discount niya 10%. Okay? Pero masipag siya magbenta. So, pag nagbebenta po siya, okay, lahat ng nabebenta niya, meron kang 20%. Bakit? 30 minus 10, that's 20% na overrides mo. So, kung ang benta niya at ng buong grupo niya is 100,000, 20,000 ang commission mo. So, kung meron kang 20, 30 na trial package, puro 20% ka doon. Okay? Ngayon, possible ba na sila din maging ma-promote din or maging presidential din? Maging presidential director din or maging business package din? Possible po yun. Kasi nga, tinutulungan natin lahat. So, dito na mag-a-apply yung, di ba kanina sinubtract natin, 30 minus 10. Dito, mag-a-apply na yung 30% discount plus yung 20% additional rank up bonus. So, 50% ka na pag binibili mo yung produkto, parang buy one, get one na. Ngayon, kapag naging presidential na rin yung team member mo sa baba, 50 minus 50, technically zero na yon. Pero we don't have zero in this business. We have override leadership reward, which is 5% sa first level, 4% sa second, 3% sa third, 2% sa fourth, at sa fifth naman is 1%. So, imaginein mo, these are not one person. Kasi ang direct mo, hindi lang isa eh. Yung second level mo, hindi lang din isa. Marami po yan sa baba. So, it's like you making machine. So, piso-piso, 10-10 piso, 20-20 pesos sa maraming tao, pag inaccumulate mo yan, you can earn a lot of money. Okay po. So, that's the power of this business. Kasi nga, gagawin ng tao, kikwento nila ng ikikwento. Plus, here's an exciting part. We have what we call an e-commerce bonus. Because aside from this business, we also have a e-commerce website. I'm gonna share it on my screen right now. Okay. E-commerce website is called Terra. Okay. Terra means trillion. So, it's our own version of a Shopee, Lazada, TikTok shop. Okay. So, and this is not exclusive sa mga members natin. So, kahit friends mo na gustong bumili ng, example, gusto niyang bumili ng t-shirt, sando, or laptop, or ano, lahat yan, makikita mo rito. Kakaroon tayong mga merchants. Ganun din siya. They can shop. So, bilang member ng Next Gen X, you will have your own unique link. Okay? You will have your own affiliate link na tinatawag. Tapos, you can share this or you can send it to them. Example, bibili sila ng beauty, makeups, or ano. These are outside our product na. Okay, kunwari, nagtitinda siya ng makeups. Pwede siya mag-create ng shop inside our platform. Okay po. Magtitinda siya ng mga supplies, kahit nagtitinda siya ng ballpen, pwede sila mag-create ng supplies. Parang Shopee, Lazada. Ganun lang din. I know, Amazon, like that. So, when they click it, tapos galing sila from your link, okay? The good thing about that is you get an affiliate commission. Okay po. Plus, lahat ng team members mo na bumibili din sa e-com natin, okay, you also get percentage like 10%, 9%, 8%, depending on the level they are. Up to 8 level, 5%. So, imagine it, we have our own economy, we have our own e-commerce platform, and we have our own business to set for you. Okay? The good thing about this is we are here to help you. We are here to guide you. And we also use the power of AI pagdating do sa mga product videos, explaining the product. So, share mo na lang. Panonoorin na lang ng clients mo or prospect mo or pa-attendin mo sila if they want to learn the business. We will teach them along the way. Tutulungan namin kayo. Okay po. So, When you get paid dito, it's all in the wallets. Ano? Example, ang bonus mo 100,000, 80% of that diretso na 'yan sa bank account mo. Okay, yung 20% po, you can use it for your e-com. Yung 5% papasok sa e-com wallet mo, pwede mo siyang pang-shopping. Yung 5% it's a repeat purchase wallet. Pwede mong bilhin yung mga Ultimate Glow, yung mga oils natin, pang-shopping mo rin sa Next Gen X. Tapos may 5% na incentive wallet. Ito po napupunta siya sa mga travels natin, napupunta siya sa mga gadgets natin. Basta incentive na gusto mong bilhin for you. Okay? Then next is 5%. Another 5% is yung wallet natin, yung savings wallet natin. Ito, iniipon ng company and it will be given every 6 months. So, why this is important? Ano po? Para every time na kumikita tayo, kumikita din yung kumpanya. May benta yung kumpanya. So, that's very clever thing to do kasi hindi tayo magsasara. Kasi when the company makes money, we gonna continue our operation. Ganun lang siya. All right. So, with that, thank you very much. I